Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling one of the most used spaces in your home, the bathroom. If you're looking to give your bathroom a fresh look without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. We'll explore how you can achieve a budget bathroom makeover for under £500. Let's dive right in. First, let us start with painting the walls. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for any room, and the bathroom is no exception. Opt for light, airy colors like soft whites or muted pastels to create a spacious feel. If you're feeling adventurous, you could choose a bolder color for an accent wall. Something like a deep blue or a warm terracotta can add warmth and depth. Remember to use moisture-resistant paint for durability. This will help prevent peeling and mildew growth. Next, let's focus on the mirror. Updating your mirror can be a fantastic focal point in your bathroom. Instead of a standard mirror, look for one with a unique shape or a decorative frame that matches your decor style. This small change can significantly impact the overall look of the space. You can even create a DIY framed mirror with some wood and paint for a custom touch that suits your taste. Now, let's talk about updating your hardware. Swapping out old cabinet knobs and drawer pulls for modern alternatives can make a significant difference. Look for finishes like brushed gold, matte black, or even ceramic options in vibrant colors to add a pop of personality. This simple upgrade is relatively inexpensive and can refresh the look of your cabinets and drawers. Consider adding some shelving to maximize storage. Open shelves are not only practical for keeping essentials organized, but can also be styled with decorative items like candles, plants, or your favorite toiletries. You can purchase ready-made shelves or easily build your own using reclaimed wood for a rustic touch. This addition will help keep your counters clutter-free and provide a space for your decor. Another budget-friendly update is to change your shower curtain or bath mat. Choose patterns or colors that complement your new paint and hardware. A stylish shower curtain can tie the entire room together and make it feel more cohesive. Consider a bold print or even a textured fabric to elevate the design. Similarly, a new bath mat can add comfort and style. Go for something plush and inviting underfoot. Let's not forget about lighting. Changing your light fixture can dramatically alter the mood. Consider replacing your overhead light with something more stylish. A vintage style pendant or sleek sconces can add character and provide better lighting. If you have the space, adding a dimmer switch can allow you to adjust the brightness to create a relaxing atmosphere, especially during evening baths. Lastly, think about adding some greenery. Plants can bring life to any space, and certain types, like ferns or spider plants, thrive in bathrooms. Not only do they look good, but they also help improve air quality. Choose pots that complement your decor and place them on shelves or hang them near windows for a fresh touch. With these simple updates, you can transform your bathroom for under £500. What changes are you most excited about? Share in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget-friendly home improvement ideas. See you next time.